Hey guys, it's Angie. I'm here today with a little bit of an air filter comparison. So let's take a look at how the FilterBuy and the Nordic Pure air filters compare. Both brands are manufactured in the USA. They each use a pleated synthetic material. Both of them have an electrostatic charge. What that means for you is better efficiency than those flat fiberglass filters. Both are designed to fit standard HVAC systems like your furnaces, your air conditioners, and your heat pumps. The key difference in the two that I have here are the filtration ratings. FilterBuy's model here is a MERV 8, which is going to capture about 90% of dust, lint, and pollen. You're going to get a little bit of pet dander and mold filtration there too. Our Nordic Pure is a MERV 10. It's capable of capturing and filtering out particles like pet dander and mold spores as well. The main difference between these two right here is that Nordic Pure offers a carbon version. If you choose their carbon filter version, you also get odor reduction, which your standard FilterBuy model does not include. The main thing with the Nordic Pure carbon filter is that this is going to help in houses with smokers, with pets, with cooking odors, things along those lines. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful.